Hello students, welcome to Teja Online Tutorials. In the previous video, we were discussed about holozoic nutrition in different animals like in paramecium and in amoeba. So in this video, we are going to discuss about holozoic nutrition in human beings. Human beings are multicellular organisms. They intake complex food like rice, bread, etc. The digestion that begins in the human beings in alimentary canal. So what is alimentary canal, children? The passage of food from mouth to anus through a tube-like structure called alimentary canal. How much does it long, children? The alimentary canal is 9 meters long, that is from esophagus to anus. And the various organs that involved in the human digestive system are during the digestion are mouth. In the picture I am showing with the red mark, here is the mouth, and the next part is the after the mouth is esophagus. So in the picture I am showing with the red mark, this esophagus, it is also called as the food pipe. The next, stomach. So in the picture I am showing with red mark, stomach, this is stomach. And the next, small intestine. In the picture I am showing, this is the small intestine. So it is the small intestine. And next is the large intestine. In the picture I am showing with the red mark, large intestine. This is large intestine. And next, rectum and anus. So in the picture I am showing rectum. Here is the rectum, and next one is the anus. This is the last part of the alimentary canal. And along with the various organs which involved in the human digestive system, some of the glands are also associated in the digestion. So those glands are salivary glands. There are three types salivary glands. In the picture I am showing salivary glands. This is one type, this is the second one, and this is the third one. These are the three types of salivary glands which are present in the buccal cavity. So these salivary glands are parotid glands, submandibular glands, and sublingual glands, which helps in the secretion of saliva during the beginning of the digestion of food in the mouth. And next is liver and pancreas. So in the picture I am showing, here is the liver with the red mark I am showing, this is the liver, and this is the yellow shaped organ which is located below the stomach, that is called pancreas. It is a pear shaped organ. And next, from there are various steps involved in the holozoic nutrition in human beings. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion. So what is ingestion? It means intake of complex organic food through the mouth. The food we put in the mouth is called ingestion. And what is complex organic food, children? It means the food which we put in the mouth, if it contains starch in it, it is called as complex organic food, which is going to be digested during the process of digestion. It means breakdown into the simpler molecules during the process of digestion. That is called complex organic food. And the next process followed by the ingestion is digestion. So what is digestion, children? It means the breakdown of complex food into the simpler form is called digestion. This digestion of food begins in the mouth itself first. So in the mouth there are two types of digestion that takes place, that is physical digestion and chemical digestion. When we put the food into the mouth, the teeth cut the food into small pieces and chew and grind it. This type of digestion is physical digestion. And then next, the salivary glands that produce saliva, which contains an enzyme called salivary amylase, which digests the starch into sugar. This is called chemical digestion. So I already told that the salivary glands and some of the glands are also associated during the digestion of food. So these salivary glands are present in the buccal cavity. See in the picture I am showing with the red mark. So these are the salivary glands in this region. The salivary glands are present. These salivary glands are of three types: parotid glands, submaxillary glands, and sublingual glands, which are mainly responsible for the secretion of saliva, which contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down the saliva, the starch, into sugar. And next, one more part that is involved in the digestion of food in the mouth, that is tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ which helps in mixing the food with the saliva, and it also turns the food into soft and bolus, which will be easily helpful for the swallowing of the food, so that the saliva, this tongue, helps in the mixing of food. So that is process called mastication. The process called mastication of food. The partially digested food from mouth is then passes to a organ called esophagus. It is also called as food pipe. Once the food after partially digested, once the food enters into the food pipe, the muscles of the food pipe holds the food and pushes down by contracting and relaxing. This type of movements are called peristaltic movements. Once you look at the uh, animation, so here when the partially digested food, when it passes from mouth to esophagus, the esophagus containing muscles holding the food and pushing down by contracting and relaxing movements. This movements is called peristaltic movements. So now I am showing you with the red mark, that is called peristaltic movements. So that peristaltic movements, that process is called peristalsis. Then after the food from the food pipe, it passes to the organ called stomach.